Instagram, YouTube. Just getting out the gym. About to go fix something to eat, take a good shower. And I decided to make a quick video based on the W205 or just about any car or Mercedes practically, where when you open the door, you get this clacking sound, right? It's like so horrifying, everyone could hear it. And I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. So right underneath it is a little 7mm bolt. Hear that? So we'll take out this ratchet with a 7mm socket and we'll tighten it. This simple as that. Out of your problems. So when I was calling the dealers, oh, we have to take a look at it and all that kind of stuff. And just one day I decided to take off the little rubber cap and tighten it up, and voila, out of my problem. And I saved myself so much money. And that wasn't from switching to Geico.